Fall is in the air, winter is coming soon, summer we've been partying, lots of weddings, and now it's kind of time to get back to you. Do the things that you need to do to your body to reset yourself. I want to bring in Dr. Ward. It is time for Doc Talk. Hi, good to see you.
Great to be here.
So this is the best time when we start to hibernate and we can take care of those sunspots. I've done it. I love doing it.
Right. Fall is really the time when everybody gets back to themselves. You know, they've been so busy. The spring, summer, there's the anticipation, there's the fun, there's the holidays. Fall comes, kids go back to school, you just kind of reset.
Yeah.
And I think even once your kids are gone, like there's still that reset time in the fall that happens. And part of it is the sun goes down, we have a little less UV exposure, but it really is the time for a lot of people like, okay, let's get back to basics. I've been skipping out on my skincare, I've been skipping out on taking care of me. Let's do it, take care of you now.
And you're not traveling as much. You're not going to be on planes and in buses and all that kind of stuff. So as a facial plastic surgeon, you're very, very cognizant of the skin, obviously. Let's talk about some of the treatments that are best for fall and winter.
Sure, so the main part is making sure that we take advantage of the fact that the UV exposure is going to be a lot less.
Right.
So a lot of the energy-based treatments like lasers, for example, are going to be more effective.
Okay.
The other thing is, as you know, any sort of treatment that we undergo, a lot of the recovery is going to be worsened if we get more UV exposure. So by minimizing that, we're going to get a better result. It's going to help enhance the result. I really think that for a lot of these treatments that we need to do, whether it's sunspots, whether it's wrinkles, whatever, that we need to address them through different ways. One way is, with the laser, one way is with proper skincare, but another one is just kind of like what you do for yourself, your behavior, your actions, your diet. One of those
Water
things is
intake.
UV exposure. Yeah, that's a great example. It's a simple thing that you can do that makes such a big difference in terms of your result. But by far the biggest thing is, okay, if we're going to eliminate the UV exposure, we're going to have a lot better results when it comes to taking care of your spots and wrinkles.
So for people who have never done the lasers, I've been doing them after years and years and years of thinking, I'm going to get rid of my sunspots and my melasma. I finally decided to do it, and let's walk them through a little bit of what they might need to know. I mean, obviously it's very different depending on the laser, but just an overview of what they might need to know.
Sure. So I think that the most important thing is to get a good assessment, because everybody's different.
Right.
So the laser that works for you may not work for me, may not work for the next person. So getting an individualized assessment, coming up with a plan. That's what I think is so important, is get a plan. Don't go in oh, my friend had this treatment, that treatment, or whatever, and it worked for them. You really need to have an individualized plan. So I think it's really important to meet with a qualified provider who's going to give you the information that you need, so that, they may say you know what, we're not going to do any laser treatments until you've done 6 weeks of medical grade skincare, or we're going to start, we're going to do that, and then we're going to do these IPL treatments, for example, or some sort of laser treatment, and then we're going to start you on an oral medication that's going to help enhance the results further.
That's true.
So I think it's getting an individualized plan that's going to help give you the best possible results is the most important thing. And let's not forget that it's also about getting you back to you and being secure and confident. That's really what it's about. It's not about how you look, it's about how you feel.
Absolutely. And there's still a couple days left that they can actually come in for a free consultation. If they're on the fence about things, they can still come in and meet with all of you.
So this week we are celebrating our 6th anniversary. We're really happy thank you very much. So we do have a little bit of time left this week, so come in for free consultation and you learn kind of about that individualized plan for you.
Yeah, absolutely. And if they want to make an appointment, or do they just drop in, how can they find you?
Yeah, 801-513-FACE, F-A-C-E, info@formdermspa.com.
Perfect. And of course, they can find you on all social media as well.
That's right.
Thank you so much. Learn as always, and make sure you get your skincare taken care of and do what is best for you.
If you like